Hey guys, Vance here. Monsters were born in the homologation era. Rules forced engineers to build insane machines, turbocharged, wide fendered, barely road legal. But here's the thing, a monster is useless if it can't be controlled. Enter all wheel drive, the secret weapon that took chaos, tamed it, and turned into speed you could actually survive. If you thought the homologation era was wild, wait until you see what all-wheel drive did to it. This is where rally DNA evolved into foundation of every performance car on the planet. Let's rewind. You just watched how regulations birthed monsters. Cars that could murder corners, jumps, and unsuspecting spectators. But there was a problem. Power without control is just chaos. Enter all-wheel drive. Every wheel fights for grip, every turn is a negotiation, every millisecond is survival. Audi Quattro, the car that literally redefined rally, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, and so aggressive it made roads nervous. Lancia Delta Integral, the Italian wizard of snow, gravel, and absolute corner domination. All-wheel drive wasn't invented to be safe. It was invented to let humans wrestle monsters they helped create. Rally doesn't forgive mistakes. Gravel slides under your tires, mud blinds your vision, snow laughs at your audacity. This is why all-wheel drive mattered. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, a perfect machine that made insane roads manageable. Subaru Impreza WRX STI, a car that made winter feel like a playground. All-wheel drive doesn't make the road easy. It makes you a better driver, whether you realize it or not. Torque distribution, differentials, traction control, all invisible strings keeping chaos on a leash. And then, homologation magic did it again. Rally technology hit the streets. Suddenly, all-wheel drive wasn't just for professional drivers or mad engineers. Audi S and RS models. Because control chaos is stylish. Subaru WRX STI, the car that whispers, it just beats snow. And yes, I'll embarrass your neighbor's SUV. All-wheel drive became a language, a secret handshake between cars and their drivers. It's like giving four hyperactive children a single goal, and somehow they achieve it beautifully. All-wheel drive evolved, not by chance, but by obsession. Engineers wanted precision, control, and the ability to push cars past the point of natural laws. Torque vectoring, sending power exactly where it's needed. Limited slip differentials, whispering discipline to wheels that want to rebel. Adaptive all-wheel drive, predicting roads better than most human could. Modern icons Nissan GTR, Porsche 911 Turbo. All-wheel drive isn't about four-wheels spinning. It's control disguised as a rebellion. It's precision hiding behind chaos. That's why performance cars today are descendants of rally DNA. Electric cars changed the game, but all-wheel drive remains king. Instant torque at all corners, milliseconds of response. This is all-wheel drive on steroids. Rimac Nevera, a symphony of electric fury at four wheels. Tesla Model S played, all-wheel drive reimagined for a world obsessed with speed and instant gratification. All-wheel drive now isn't just about handling, it's about taming raw power before it destroys everything around it. And yes, some cars now do it faster than your brain can process. Let's connect the dots. You watched the homologation era. Rules forced monsters, chaos reigned, then came all-wheel drive. It didn't make monsters weaker. It made them manageable, refined, unstoppable. Today, every high-performance car with all-wheel drive carries rally DNA. It's balance under chaos, it's control over destruction. It's the whisper of engineers saying, "We built monsters, and now you can actually drive them." Four wheels, one purpose. Turn chaos into speed. Control is the real weapon, and all-wheel drive is the reason you survive long enough to tell the story.